Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Valentine's terracotta pot candle holder. You can use any size terracotta pot that you want, and we're going to be using the tray that comes with it on the bottom. I'm going to start off and I'm going to paint my pot, and I'm using white acrylic craft paint by Apple Barrel, and this one has a gloss. Okay, so I did one layer on this one, and for the tray I am doing Candy Pink by Apple Barrel, and it's a matte acrylic paint. And I did one layer on the bottom side and let it dry 30 minutes, and now I'm doing it on this side, or I did it on this side, and it's going to dry for another 30 minutes. And I'm more concerned with this side of the tray because it'll be showing more than the bottom of this. Okay, so I'm all done with painting it, and I did a total of 3 coats. I dried it 30 minutes in between for the 2 coats, and then the very third coat I went ahead and I let it dry for about an hour and a half. So now I'm going to go ahead and decide my design that I want on my pots, and I'm going to probably lightly trace them with pencil. Okay, so I've got a sketch on here. I don't have everything on here that I'm putting on here, and you know, you can do anything you want on here. It doesn't have to be elaborate. You could do hearts and things like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and start painting on this. So as you can see, I started to fill in my 2 cats, and then there'll be a heart right here in front of them. And I'm going to go ahead and start doing the eyes and the nose and working on that right now. Okay, so I've got it painted, and I am going to go ahead and I am going to apply some E6000 glue to the top rim of the pot. I don't know what that is in my glue, and I'm going to try to center this on here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this sit for, well, it says to let it sit for 24 hours, so we'll see how many hours it takes. I'm going to go ahead and try it for half that time and see if it's set. Alright, so I went ahead and I had it sit for 12 hours, and it was pretty strong by then, but I did the extra 12 just to double assure it. And so there you have my terracotta pot candle holder, and I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!